This is a 1-minute stretch for the levator scapulae muscle on the right side of the body, demonstrated with our client Justin seated. The levator scapulae does extension in the sagittal plane, so we stretch it with flexion. The levator scapulae on the right side does right lateral flexion, so we stretch it with left lateral flexion. And the right side levator scapulae, being an ipsilateral rotator, a right rotator, is stretched with left rotation. So I'm going to rotate him to the left, preset that rotation, and then bring him down into flexion and over to the left side. But I have to stabilize his shoulder girdle from lifting. I'm going to use my forearm, and I just lean down with body weight. I hold his trunk, shoulder girdle down on the right, and I push his head and neck down to the left with that left rotation. That is our 1-minute stretch for the levator scapulae, demonstrated on the right side of the body.